Hi, this is Chantel from WTI. My shoe mound in my closet has been out of control for far too long. So I ordered this 3-tier shoe rack from Simple Houseware to get my shoes organized. The shoe rack was really easy to assemble. My son loves putting things together, so I handed him the box and he had it made in under 10 minutes. He was so proud of himself. The fabric shelves are made from a thick polyester and are easy to remove and throw in the wash as needed. I love that the shelves are height adjustable for taller shoes. I'm very happy that I was able to fit 12 pairs, but it can store up to 16 depending on your shoe size and how they are arranged. It's a very sturdy metal, and I think it looks so nice in my closet. My husband is so thrilled he is no longer tripping over my shoes when he walks into our closet. But that's just my point of view.